Perfect Diamond. Ngayong araw po ay meron po kaming gig doon sa Barangay Anahaw, Lodis Beach Resort. Kasama po ni Sed, ni Miko, ni Langga. So meron po kaming mga events na darating. Meron po kami sa 27 at Hinigaran National High School. Thank you so much Kagawad Garwil, and also to alumni of Hinigaran Elementary School A at May 4, and also at May 5 at Tubungan. So maraming salamat guys. See you po sa aming mga gigs doon with the Perfect Diamond. Heyo mga ka-Perfect Diamond, ito po yung venue namin ngayon. Dito po sa Lodis Event and Resort. Kasama po namin yung Perfect Diamond. So see you later with the dynamic sound system, Mr. Tata. Hey Langga, ano masasabi mo sa lugar?
Ang ganda ng venue dito. Super lucky. Everybody sing it! Yeah, alright!
It's a beautiful day.